So the next time you're in Modesto, California, getting your hair tightened up over here at the barber salon in McHenry Village at 66A, and you say to yourself, Self, I'd really like to have some Portuguese, German-inspired food. Where should I eat? Oh, you step right next door to Bauer's 66 and a half Skillet and Grill.
2 UFBs, medium.
It's one of those places where you kind of want to keep it to yourself.
God, I get cravings all the time.
All right, here's that Lamborghini.
If you have a passion for burgers, definitely a good spot.
Or a passion for some global-infused grub.
Gorg Burger.
Thanks to chef and owner Ty Bauer's background
Dad's full-blooded German. My mom was full-blooded Portuguese.
and his adventures.
I traveled a lot, so I just take a little bit of a hodgepodge of my heritage and things that I like.
Which led him to create this Portuguese-inspired three-meat monster sandwich.
Octavian.
You get the linguiça, you get the alcatra, you get the pulled pork.
All right, let's get into making the sandwich.
So chopped up some linguiça for our Octavian. I'm gonna add some mushrooms and onions to that. Gonna bring that over here to the pulled pork. We do this in-house. Then we're gonna come in with the alcatra.
How many people are eating?
It's a big boy sandwich. All right, so now the cheese goes in, and then our sweet spicy sauce. Bring this all together here. We're gonna add that to the bun. All right, and there we have it.
Boy, that's a big sandwich, man. There's just a ton of flavor going on.
Yeah.
You get a little bite of the linguiça, then all of a sudden you get a little touch of that vinegar. I see the calorie meter going off right next to me. Minutes on treadmill. Ding, 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 ding. Great sandwich, man.
Thank you.
Nicely done.
Here's that Octavian Sandwich.
It's a monster sandwich.
3 different types of meat. You can't really go wrong.
From the Octavian to the UFB sandwich, everything here's got a clever little name, including the one Ty rolled with when he opened in '09.
The 66 and a half came in because it's address. But you're on the backside of a place that's 66. I could have been an E.
Could have been an
66E,
E
wouldn't
or
it?
66A.
I had a choice, so I went with 66 and a half.
But his best work might be reserved for the name he's bestowed on this beast of a burger.
Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini?
Sports car burgers.
It doesn't stop.
It's just moist and it melts in your mouth.
You're going 100 miles an hour, but you still get to enjoy the ride.
So we got a toasted brioche bun. Gonna be that spicy Thousand Island. Lemon aioli. Here comes a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we got our mushrooms, bacon, and gorgonzola that's gonna go on top of that. Next thing coming up is arugula. Olive oil. There you have it.
That's a great lamb burger. It's balanced, properly cooked, really moist, tons of flavor. Toasted bun holds it together. The aioli's great. That's actually what a lot of lamb burgers want to be.
Thank you, man. Yeah.
Spot on, Ty. Spot on.
Here's that Lamborghini.